Welcome back. I'm Jill with the CarefreeKitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you an easy strawberry pina colada smoothie. And this has all the tropical flavors you love, pineapple and coconut and strawberry, and it's perfect for a movie night or a summer evening. So before we get started, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and share it with a friend. Okay, so these are the ingredients you're going to need to make a strawberry pina colada. Alrighty, we have some orange juice, any kind will do. Strawberries, I only have fresh today, but frozen works great too. I have about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, some milk, a little bit of sugar, and this is a secret ingredient. I find this over in the drink aisle at the supermarket, and it's cream of coconut. You can also buy this in the can, Coco Lopez, I think. And then we're gonna use a splash of vanilla extract. And then this is some frozen pineapple. And if you can't find this at your supermarket, you can cut up your own pineapple, just slice the bottom off, and then use a sharp knife and cut around the pineapple, taking off all of the eyes, and then just slice close to the core, and then chunk it up and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in a single layer in your freezer. And then I also have just a little bit of ice here. Okay, so to get started, we're gonna use our frozen pineapple. And I just laid this in the freezer before it was frozen, and so it's kind of all together. And so if you just drop it a few times, it'll kind of break that up. Anyways, we're going to use 2 cups of frozen pineapple. And I'll just put that right into my blender here. And you can just estimate, all these ingredients are so yummy, so it's fine. Then we're also going to put in our strawberries, and we have 2 cups of strawberries. And now some lemon juice. This will give it that like nice tartness, and a splash of vanilla. Maybe like a teaspoon. And then we have our sugar. Make it nice and sweet. And some milk. Okay, and then I need 1 cup of orange juice. And here we go. And then to make things a little bit easy, I'm just gonna open up the bottom of this cream of coconut, and then we'll just squeeze in another cup. This adds a ton of coconut flavor, and it is perfect for pina coladas. Okay, we're at that 2 cup mark, that's perfect. And now we'll just pour this in here. And skadoosh right there on top. Okay, we're just gonna put the blender on here and then add the ice cubes after we blend it up a little bit to see how much we need of the ice cubes. So I'm just gonna blend this on low for just a minute here. All right, here is my version of a non-alcoholic strawberry pina colada. This is a fun, fruity drink, perfect for any time of the year or any kind of a family party. It has strawberries and cream of coconut and frozen pineapple and everything we love in a tropical drink. All right, cheers to a fun summer. It's actually so good. I just might drink both of those. It is so good. It's like slushy and creamy and fruity, everything I love. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and send it to a friend who might love this recipe too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.